Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to disable Vibrate for a specific type of notice inside your chosen app. If constant buzzing is distracting you, this quick fix will help you regain control of your notifications without needing to mute them entirely. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your phone's settings. This is where all your device preferences live, including controls for notifications and vibration. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section allows you to manage every app installed on your phone individually, which makes it easy to customize how each one behaves. From here, find and tap on the app where you're receiving these notices. Let's call it X app. Once selected, you'll see its dedicated settings screen, where you can fine-tune permissions, storage, battery usage, and most importantly, notifications. Now, choose Notifications. This area breaks down exactly how the app communicates with you, whether it's through sound, vibration, banners, or silent alerts. Within Notifications, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories. Many modern apps separate notifications into different categories. That means not every alert is treated the same way, giving you the flexibility to adjust them based on what's important to you. On this list, find the category labeled X Notices. This is the specific type of alert that's been causing those vibration interruptions. Tap on it to open additional controls. Here, you should see an option to toggle Vibrate on or off. By default, it might be enabled, which explains why your phone buzzes every time you get one of these notices. Go ahead and switch Vibrate off. That's it. From this point forward, you'll still get the notice from the app, but your phone will stay silent. No more unwanted vibrations breaking your focus. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you experience notifications. Instead of being interrupted constantly, you can choose exactly which alerts should get your attention and which ones should remain quiet. And there you have it. A clear, simple way to disable Vibrate for X notices on X app. Take a moment now to update your settings and enjoy a calmer, more personalized phone experience.